getting it ready?
Man, I hope so. After every 3 passes, I strip a spur gear.
Oh, you were the one they was talking about on my, they said that noise a while ago. That was you?
Oh, yeah.
Stripped the gear or something? Who said that? Well, they said there was someone stripped the spur gear grazing or some chirpy.
330.
Some.
Yeah, it was on the pass too.
In the plan B left lane.
You still won?
Lane, 275.
Yeah, I still won.
Oh, okay.
He hit the wall.
Oh, okay, bam. Well, he's still in the building, y'all.
Thanks, homie.
Full tree.
Ready.
Full tree bracket racing.
Yeah, you did call it. I ain't even heard the noise you heard. Golly. Oh, they got 2 cars up there now.
Ethan Clay staging up. He's in. Cohen is in. These guys battle out there in Canton on the weekly basis. Drivers, watch the lights. Oh, watch the lights.
Ooh, right line.
It is Ethan.
Right lane, went around.
346 with an 8 on a 330, 282 Dow. And Williams goes red, negative 053 on the reaction time.
Negative 053 on the reaction.
And Ethan goes to the next round. All right, you know your dance partner? If you're on drag track, Mike Bard, you have lane choice over Vinny. Kevin, lane choice over Bradford. Donna Johnson, you have Robert Douglas. If you can identify yourself, Robert Douglas. All right, here we go.
Robert Douglas,
Johnny has lane choice. He's going left lane. Got it, sir.
What is the rule for this?
254 to 305. Drivers on your mark. If you don't know your dance partner,
man, I hate the hiccups, man.
say
I
your
ain't
name
never
out
had
loud
them
or say
this
who you're
much.
looking for out loud.
I'm being so hungry. Look out. Look at that seat view now, huh?
Mike Barge, Vinny's not up here yet.
I'm still trying to get you a good view in there.
There he is, okay. Vinny, you got the best of Texas barbecue sauce. Mike Barge, much now. Okay, here we go, drivers. Watch the lights.
He ain't even.
And that is Donnie Johnson.
He could have won.
Automotive right here in Grand Prairie, Texas, going 330.
Oh, no, he ain't cut no good light.
Dial to take the win. And that was all reaction time there because the other gentleman was closer to his dial, 257 or 254. But that was a reaction time all the way there.
We're ready.
Do they sell food? Yeah. They ain't got nothing but some chicken tenders and fries. I don't really want them. I'm tired of it. Feel like I'm eating the same thing over and over.
$245 versus $265. Here we
Nah,
go.
they ain't got no 4-cycle class. Ain't no gas car here.
It's almost time to put the hoodie back on. We got a few hoodies up here left, folks. We have some medium, small, maybe medium, large, extra large, up to 3X. Up here, I'm about to put mine back on. All right, here we go, drivers. Watch the lights.
Oh!
Cross is over, so Bradford will take
Left
the
lane
win.
You cross the line, your cash lose. Hey man, you crossed the line. Safety. Safety.
Nick Clay.
Uh-oh, they got the
Clay, where's Nick? Oh, there he is, right there. All right.
Mohawk man coming up. Ain't nobody gonna beat him. Clayton Bart said he liked watching roaches scary when he turned on his light.
290, both of our RZO Texas drivers coming up here to do battle against each other.
You need some raid.
Something Street Eliminator. I thank everybody for coming out and watching the RCDRL No Trap Nationals out here.
Oh, Rough Riders.
You want to learn a little bit more about us? We have some free brochures up here. Take one with you.
Don't matter if you red light.
Right now.
First to worst.
Well, Nick
Or
may have
worse.
an issue.
Keyword or worse. Don't lose this first or worse. My opinion.
Drivers, watch the lights.
Oh. Oh. Man, he tried to keep it in the groove.
By way of rule, and he knew it. He's one of the rules committee members out here.
Damn,
Nick moves
man.
on to the next round.
He hit the wall and advanced up other dude.
I'm sure Nick does
Cross
not
the
like
line.
to win like that. And he goes, well, wait a minute. Yes, I
Okay,
do.
my opinion
Money at
was
stake.
he red lighted, the race is over with. For the people that's betting on the side, y'all only going out the lights. You know what I'm saying? For the people that bet on the sides in the stands, I feel like y'all betting on the win light. Cause that's the way y'all know who won. Y'all go off the light.
390.
Now, as far as the pot, I thought it was the same, but I have been notified. I thought Funky Town was just trying to figure out a way to weasel out his bet. But come to find out, he was right. That's what they've been teaching me.
All right, remember, guys, poultry. Watch the lights.
Right lane with the wind, y'all. He went around him.
And that one's in the books.
You don't gotta cross the lane to lose.
404,
All you gotta do is hit the
190
wall.
Down, 278.
You ain't gotta hit his wall, your wall.
274 dial.
Basically, them the rules. Red light, cross the line, hit the
Move
wall.
On to the next round.